Good evening, students. Today our topic is changed voice. आवाज बदलो. So, let's start. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice, which we have already studied earlier. This is just a revision, students. Okay. Now, yes, table again. Now, students have started calling me table teacher. Yes, I give table for every part of the grammar. This is just for you. It makes very easy to understand. That's why. Let's start. Okay. This is my table. I think now I will not explain the table. I will directly switch over to question. Hmm? This this is there in the question and this will be there in the answer. It means we have to write these according to the question itself. Okay. Okay. My first question, the water fills the tank. Water fills the tank. First of all, in change the voice, last word comes first and first word comes last. This is the basic thing. I will mark it so that you will remember. Last word comes first and first word comes last. In simple language, then you have to search. First, I am underlining this as usual, the tank, the water, because this was my last word and this was my first word. Okay. And one more thing, I have to search verb also. And in verb, I will search the important letter S. Okay. Now, how to start? The last word coming first. So, the tank. This is coming first. Okay. After that, I will see this in our table. Where it is? Yes, it is here. If the S is there in the question, works, dances, sings, S है ना सब में. In this case, what we have to put? Am, is, are, इसमें से कुछ भी one, PP and by. Okay. Now we have to choose. Here while answering, we have to choose the tank. The tank, what is that? Tank is, tank are, tank, na? Tank is obviously. So I will put is. Tank is. Then past participle. Past participle means filled. The tank is filled by the water. So last word comes first word comes last. Okay. Moving ahead to next question. He is disturbing that man. Oh, very bad. It disturbs that man. That man is doing some work and he's disturbing him. Bad manners. Let us come back to grammar. Last word comes first word comes last. So I've underlined last word, that man, and first word, he. Okay. As per rule, last word is coming first and first word is coming last. Correct? So that man will come first and he will come last. We will see about that. That man. So let us begin with that man. And I'm underlining this important part ing. Where is ing in the table? Yes, it's here. So what to put? Yeah, being plus pp plus by. Being plus pp plus by. Now come here. Being किसको लगाएंगे? Verb को लगाएंगे. That man is being. Okay, I'm putting this being pp, disturbing का pp, disturbed by, first word comes last. By he थोड़ी ना लिखते हैं, by him. Correct. So the answer is that man is being disturbed by him. So being. So just remember one rule. Whenever there is ing in the question, we will put being. Okay. See here. ing in the question, we will put being. Then PP. PP is common for all. Sorry, I've written PM here. Sorry. This is PP. PP is common for all. Past participle. By is also common. So no need to remember this part. These rules just have to remember. Ki have, has, had. Been will come. ing, then being will come. Okay? Chal. Moving ahead to next question. Radhika has completed her homework. Very good, girl. Have you completed your homework, students? Some have, some don't have. Okay. Fine. Complete your homework tomorrow. So, homework is the last word and Radhika is the first word. As per my rule, Radhika will come last, homework will come first, right? So, first word will go last and last will go first. Okay, so homework will be first word. Now, after that, which is helping verb? Has. Has is helping verb. Find here where is has. Here it is has. So whenever has is there, what to put? Has been, have been, had been. Has hai to has been. Okay. So I will put here has been. Correct? Then as usual PP. Has been, then PP. PP means past participle. Completed. It will be same. By Radhika. First word came last word came first. So the answer is homework has been completed by Radhika. Okay. So our rule for this sentence is, if there is has in the question, we will write has been. If there is ing in the question, we will write being. Okay. So yes, I am table teacher. So you have to remember this. You don't have any other option because this is the easiest method. Okay. Next question. Next question. He spoke the truth in the class. Now this in the class, ये तो इसकी पूछ है. So main sentence is only this. Whatever I have marked, that is the main sentence. So what is the main sentence? He spoke the truth. Truth word will come first and he will come last. As per the rule, truth word will come first and he comes last. So the truth is coming first. After that, spoke. Spoke is present tense, past tense. Yes, it is past tense. Now let us see what is the rule for past tense. Yes, here is the rule. If there is past tense in the question, was or were, PP. Depends. Was लगाना या where लगाना. Let us see. The truth. The truth है तो was. Truth was spoken. This is past participle. The truth was spoken by him. Okay. And in the class. ये तो इसकी पूछ है वो हमें लगानी है. Right? हम लोग उसको पूछ बोलेंगे so that you will remember easily. Fine? चलो. Last question. She is eating an apple in the morning. One more pooch came. In the morning is pooch. So forget about that. She is eating an apple. This is the main sentence, right? Last word comes first. First word comes last. So an apple will come first. Underline important words. ing or is plus ing. Let us see is plus ing in the table. Yes, it is here. Being लगाएंगे. Being plus pp plus by. Right? Being. Just remember being. pp plus by is same for all. Being लगाएंगे. So an apple is being eaten. Eating का क्या है? Eaten by her. And उसकी पूछ in the morning. Right? So in the class, in the morning, in the evening, anything will be written in the last. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.